Why is a statement of values important? Well, honestly, it's because it's the way the insurance company knows how much stuff you have and what it's worth. See, we talked to you in a prior post about coinsurance and what coinsurance is and how it works, and statement of values is one of the ways that you prove the value of the things that you have. If you don't have a statement of values on file with the carrier, or actually what could possibly happen is have a recent statement of values on file with the carrier, the policy says they can go back to whichever one is the most recent on file. That could be a problem, especially if you're in a growing business who's made some acquisitions of assets over the last several years. Your property values has probably gone up quite a bit, and if you've not adjusted those and put it on file with the carrier, that's a problem because that coinsurance is going to come back to bite you. So you have to make sure you have that on file because that's the point of reference that the carrier uses. God forbid you have a claim. Take the time. It's a one-shot deal. Every year after this, you don't have to spend a whole ton of time doing it. You just simply update the numbers. But the first exercise can be a little daunting. And listen, if you've never written one before, it's okay. We've got a template that you can use that makes it pretty much fill in the blank. So if you'd like that, you can click down below and request it, and I'll happily send it to you. And I promise, we're not going to hammer you to try and get you to buy anything. It's just our way of helping out. So if you don't have a statement of values on file, it's paramount that you do. It's time that you do that today.